What's going on, guys? Today I'm going to do a quick review of the Novah Professional Hair Clippers that we have here. And in this review, I'm going to tell you everything that you need to know about these clippers, as well as one thing I think that you should know before buying. All right, so first off, guys, we got these clippers. I actually have cut my own hair for years, and I really don't do a terrible job at it, by the way. But I cut my own hair, and I've cut some friends' hair as well over the years. And, you know, I found myself kind of doing more of this as of late. And I figured, you know what, let's get something decent at home. So I decided to splurge and get this. And I've been pretty happy with it so far. So you can see here, kind of going into them, there's some trimmers with basically a smaller blade here. And that's the first one. And then we've got another bigger one here. That's, you know, really the clippers for the main hair cutting, and these are usually trimmers for, you know, smaller areas, that sort of thing. All the different attachments for the different sizes as well. They've got them here. Some oil, some other attachments as well here, which I will say this has been great for fading and doing fades with hairstyles. It's really helped me out with that. And then also we have two of the power cords, basically to charge either of these. I believe it's the same power cord, actually. I think they just give you two of them to charge them at the same time. And then we have this little brush here. Then the last thing is the cape to basically cover people when doing the haircuts. I actually have some of these, so I haven't had to use this one. But yeah, that's essentially what it comes with. Now, why I like these, so these are actually built pretty well. You know, it's hard to say here, but this is, you know, it's not like plastic and garbage. It's metal. It's high quality. You can turn them on. I like how it actually says the power left as well. With each of these, right? And they also have this neat, nifty little, I should have mentioned this, is turbo mode. Now, this is the hair clippers, basically just a bigger version of exactly what you just saw, right? Regular mode, turbo mode. But this blade, really sharp. And I do like one thing is that they encourage, you know, for those out there, they encourage you to oil the blade after or before every use, which some people I know don't do that. And I think that it actually really helps to keep things clean. And I've had this for a little while now. It's been doing well. Haven't had many issues with it. Try to keep it clean. So yeah, I definitely like it. You can see that you can adjust to the different levels here. So 1, 2, 3. Right, so let's just go to 3 different levels there when we're actually doing our haircuts. So yeah, and just like this smaller version here of the trimmers, it's high quality, right? This is like metal, not just plastic and junky. It's, you know, it's got some weight to it. It's got a little bit of stability. And what kind of review would this be without a little tutorial? So this is it. I just want you to hear, because I know sometimes when you hear hair, you can kind of hear it getting cut. So we're just going to put it on regular here, and you can hear. Right, so really clean cut. As you can tell, it looks like it's basically bald there. No issues with the trimming at all. Really sharp, really high quality product. Now, in terms of the one thing that I don't really like about it, now I'm more of an amateur user. I know that, you know, there's actual barbers out there that are in shops and such. But for me, this holds everything, which I like, right? It's just basically, but I mean, it's kind of like a cheap plastic, you know, cutout, if you will. It's not really any type of, you know, anything that's really that great. It would have been nice if they would have added something with it, or given you the option to maybe purchase, you know, like a higher version that has something with it. But overall, yeah, this, you know, it works for what its intended purpose is. But I wish that they would have had something a little bit better to hold it in. But yeah, otherwise, nothing but positive things to say. Really like this. Hope that you like it too, if you decide to get it.